That green marker is a sanitary right here. This is a sanitary sewer. Sanitary sewer here. That's what they've been working on.
Oh shit, I'm in the line this way now.
I don't
I
know.
thought it was coming back.
That's how they did it. That's how they did it, brother man. This is where your sink, your main drain's going out through there. This is where the kitchen sink is. Comes into this guy. That's the vanity. Actually, this is the vanity. Toilet, sink. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what all this is for. Well, at least some of this was. That's your sanitary tea. This is where the look how low they set that. Man.
Yeah.
Oh, I had the right wall. I laid it out right. That's where I had my wall. I had the right string line. I actually did it right. And
What are
then
those things for?
I don't know. I have no idea what this is for.
Upstairs. Is that for upstairs?
Yeah, probably. Let's narrate this. So this is the kitchen sink. Comes down this drain and goes right into this Y. And that feeds into the main drain. That's a 3-inch. This is a 3-inch drain coming out through here. Let's just double check it real fast. Make sure. Should say 3-inch somewhere around here. I don't even see it, but just trust me, it's a 3-inch. I don't see it. Anyway, it's a 3-inch. So that's a 3-inch that goes down and hits that 3-inch. This is the vanity. It's a 2-inch. It goes and hits this 3-inch. That's the toilet, and it goes and it hits that 3-inch. And that's a shower over there that pulls into this 2-inch that pulls into the 3-inch. And we're good to go. Here's the side where the big sliding door is. They pulled a marker here. I have a marker there with my white string, and then they have a marker. I don't know if that's 4 inches for this 2x4 wall, but this is how they ran this pipe here. You can see that's where the main footer was dug out. I ran mine somewhere around here, but a little bit set back. I'm not entirely sure because I have markers here and I'm not sure what I was doing. But we'll have to pull the measurements now that we know what they did. We'll double check it and learn. We'll learn something new because I have markers here and I have markers over there and markers over there. I should have wrote them out over here where they wrote them. I'm not sure what that is, but we will pull the tape and look at it